Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sneha Sawan and I make manifestation technique videos. After so long, I guess full 1 week I am uploading this video because I was busy. My apology, okay? This video is all about the responses I have got on my Instagram story, okay? But what responses? What am I talking about? Actually, I asked one question in my story and I have got very cute replies, okay, cute responses, okay. So I am actually going to share the point of view of people on what they actually understand on letting go, okay. 90% I am really happy that you all actually understand what is actually letting go. But the thing is, why are you not applying it? Theoretically you know everything, but practically when it comes to applying the thing, it is quite difficult, okay. So yes, first of all, I am going to share the meaning of letting go, okay. If you are the viewers who have responded me on my story, then you can watch, as this video is all about you, what your responses were on what you actually understand by letting go, okay. But guys, first of all, do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon of my channel, okay. Let's start. So my question was, what is letting go? What do you understand? Okay, first reply is go with the flow, okay. Go with the flow, yeah, kind of. You just have to manifest something and just forget when and why, okay. You have to go with the flow. I can relate to it as um going with the flow of the daily routine, okay. Not getting tensed about what will happen, how it will happen, okay. It is the responsibility of the whole universe, okay, whole universe. Now second reply, forgetting about how and when, again what I told you, and when it will come, and trusting our divine timing. I have made a video on divine timing. I will put in the description box or I will put in the card, okay. Third, let go of all the worries of past and live and love your present, okay. If you are desiring something, you have manifested it. What do you mean by that? Manifestation just means you have, created your own reality. Now you have to maintain it, okay. Let go of all the worries of the past, yes, and live and love your present. Be aware of the present, okay. Do not get tense. Again, accepting the truth and move on. Letting go, if you have to move on, then letting go is for you. In this sense, people have shared all kind of responses according to their lives, okay. Accepting the truth and move on, it means if you do not want that particular negative thing to haunt you, then you have to move on. Release negativity, yes, let go of the negativity also. If you are manifesting your ex back and you have a very negative past, if somebody has hurt you and still you want that person because you are attached, but still you do not, if you do not have faith in the universe, nothing is going to work, okay. So yes, release the negativity. This is in Hindi. लेटिंग गो बोले तो मैनिफेस्टेशन का टेंशन नहीं लेने का, क्या? वेरी क्यूट आंसर बाय, शुड आई रिवील द नेम? आई विल आस्क दिस पर्सन. Okay, so what it means is you do not have to take tension about your manifestation. It will definitely come, okay. Letting go of the pain but not the desire. Again, you have to let go of the negativity, the hurtful past, okay. If you have to manifest even money. Do not have to think about your bad financial situation of the past. If you have to manifest your ex, you do not have to, manifestation means whatever you are thinking is actually getting manifested. So be true to yourself that yes, I am manifesting this, okay, and I am going to give, what can you say, I am going to help myself, okay, give support to myself, okay, in manifesting by letting go of the past, the negative past. Set it and forget it, okay. Yes, set the intention, and you do not, what do you mean to forget it? Like, you do not have to take tension, okay. And toughest thing, I think, yes, letting go is the toughest thing, okay, for some people who have, you just have to change the belief system till guys, some of you are manifesting something and your belief system is exactly opposite. You do not have to do that. If you are going to manifest something, if you are trying to manifest something, do not try. Even the negativity comes, just do not feed it, okay. Do not have to invite it, talk with, okay, you are so important, you do not have to do that, okay. You just have to, okay, this is coming in my mind, and my mind is not me, first of all, okay. I will not go again in spirituality. Why I change the direction, okay. I will not go in spirituality today. Yes, what you have to exactly do, you do not have to, whatever, just be in the present and just forget the, all the tension, okay. Now these are the responses I have shared, and guys, I want you all to work on it. At last, what I was saying is, don't go on thinking about it. If you have set something as an intention, it will definitely come, okay. There are a hell lot of replies, actually heaven lot of replies, okay. And I am happy that you all actually help other people of this channel to know what is exactly letting go, okay. You do not have to let go of the desire, you just have to let go of the worries, okay. And you have to be at peace with everything, because you have to give yourself that kind of self love where you desire something, okay, but you are still happy in yourself, okay. You're doing your work. Extra things are just compliments, okay. I hope I have made you clear what is letting go and what people understand about letting go. But yes, the toughest thing is obviously practically using it. Practically use it. When the negativity comes in your mind, you do not have to even force it to go. I have got one message where I remain positive, but sometimes I get negative. It's okay if you are getting negative, it's fine. Then again, be positive. Whatever you are thinking is exactly happening. So when you are negative, it's fine. For sometimes you can be negative. Then again, transfer yourself in that positive position. Okay, do not give importance to negativity. Okay, this will only happen. No, only your positive thinking will happen if you have this dominating thought, because now you are not giving that negative thought importance. It will come, but okay, let it go. This is what you have to do with your manifestation. Let it go, it will definitely come. I have full trust on this universe, in this universe, okay. So yes, this whole video actually was on what people understand about letting go, okay. And every answer is beautiful, very true, whatever you are thinking is true. Okay, that is actually going to help you. I am here on this channel guiding you that your thinking is true for you. Nobody else can say what you can do. Whatever you feel is right for you is right. I am just guiding you. I hope I have made you clear. And guys, again, do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you so much.